So in the WorkMesh platform, we can import data, as I've demonstrated in the two previous videos, but you actually want a little bit more than that when you build a system. So here we open up a loan, and we can just see the JSON data here, okay? But wouldn't it be nice if we actually had a UI to go for this data? So what we can do is we can click Generate Model, and in the background, it is now using the WorkMesh platform and the JSON data here to come up with a model that will work and be real world. The interesting thing about WorkMesh is that, unlike Lovable and other systems, this is a very opinionated system for regulated industry. So instead of having agents just writing lots of code, this writes code, but it's writing it in a way that's configurable, so you don't have to worry about the worries of later having lots of code written by agents. This is all written by the WorkMesh platform. So we can quickly click Model. If we save it, we can instantly see now that we have the loan ID, the loan ID, company number. The system has worked out that revolving credit was the actual option that was pre-selected, but it's also come up with a few others for us. Collateral was personal guarantee, and again, it's come up with a few different options for us as well. In terms of the dates, you can see loan amount and outstanding balance is not showing correctly, but we've got the late stage, past date, status. But let's fix this. This is not showing the right value, and that's because these are currency fields where the JSON data behind the scenes has a value and an amount, a currency and an amount, but in the data we uploaded, it just had a basic amount. So if we go into this field here, and if we go on this financial part, you'll see this currency value. So let's just show you what that looks like. But if I click this to numerical, and again for this one, if I save that and go off, you can instantly see that we've got these two now showing. So from that loan, we now have, if we go on any of these, we can see that we have the different parts. Now some of these aren't showing, so for loan 0004, what we can see is loan 004, the property charge is the collateral, and that is not one of the options here, because obviously that's generated without seeing this data. And we've got recovery, which is the risk bucket. So again, we can go into, let's just move this over, and we'll move this over here. We can go into this setting, and we will find, let's just close this out of the way. Let's just find property charge for the collateral. So we want collateral, click edit. We can add an option and say property charge, and we can do that here. By now, close that and click save and go away. We go over here, we now have property charge being shown. So with that, I'm going to end the video here for how you can build a model for your Excel data.